You entered my life in March like the rain, with jasmine in the air and spring again. At the city lights you stood so quietly, and suddenly my heart became a melody. You entered my life in March out of the blue, like the sun breaking clouds I once knew. All the fears I carried turned to song. In your eyes is where I'll belong. You entered my life in March like a start, like spring returning inside my heart. And even if the seasons move on some low, March will always live in me from now. Like a leaf the wind was gently turning to simple words, and my world was burning inside the dark where I used to hide. A little light began to guide. Through narrow streets of time I walked alone, but you showed me skies I'd never known. And if this dream is brief and disappears, it's worth the moment we were here. You entered in my sun breaking clouds I once knew. All the fears I carried turned to song. In your eyes is where I belong. You entered my life in March like a star.